Right Next Door Designs in the Woodlands, located at 9940 Woodlands Parkway. In what city?
Houston. County is Montgomery, but we are in the Woodlands. Are we doing this again?
Montgomery County
We're
is
in
not
the Woodlands.
We are in the Woodlands.
Definitely.
But today, where are we today? We're in Conroe.
Oh.
And today we are filming at the Cottage Green.
Which is a very nice, swanky apartment complex. It
Yes.
reminds me of Desperate Housewives.
But
I love the
That's
feel.
what we said, yeah.
I love it. It's very cottagey. You'll see
Yeah,
everything,
you'll see the
but it's
pictures, but
beautiful.
yeah, it's
Brand
absolutely
new,
beautiful.
stunning. I mean, I would love to live here.
I would
100%.
absolutely live here, 100%
No,
too.
maybe 100%.
But I would have.
for sure.
So we wanted to talk to you today about the process of this job and how we got it. And you'll get to meet Kelly and Brandy after a while. But we are so blessed that this actual position came to us. And I'll tell you kind of how it happened. Well, I'm going to let you tell how it happened because you were actually the one that answered the phone.
So yeah, I'm the boss of getting it done. And I tell everyone, if you want a response, do not call or email Michelle.
That's true.
She will reply to text on occasion.
I
but
will.
Not often.
Not often. I have 184 unread right now.
So Kelly was one of our favorite leasing managers with the Howard Hughes Group over at 2 Lakes Edge for everyone that rented over in that area.
Yes.
And she recently got a fabulous job over here at the Cottage Green.
Yep.
And they were having some, just wanted to get the stuff set up and last minute, very last minute
job.
And she said she knows that we could get it done. We'll make it happen.
That's right.
I mean, I didn't sleep for 2 nights. I gotta tell you, I'll be honest. I was like, Michelle never says no to anything, and that's great. And
Why not?
and
I don't say no.
stress for everybody.
I
do.
never say no.
So, I mean, 2 nights of no sleep, trying to figure out how we're going to pull a rabbit out of this hat for sure.
Yes.
And we're pulling it.
We're
Rabbit
pulling
ears
it.
are out, heads
It's-
out. It's happening, people. It is.
It's been pulled.
It has.
Yeah.
And it's exciting. So
I mean, literally, we pulled this off in what? 2 weeks?
2 weeks. 2 weeks.
And I personally wanted to go on a cross-country Jeep trip with my friend.
for
and
4 weeks. For 4 weeks.
2 weeks.
No, it was a
She
4
wouldn't
week
let me because we got this job.
Yeah, no way.
So why are you sitting so far away?
I like to slouch and be comfortable. I don't like to sit properly.
This is
So,
a professional
and plus-
video.
I mean, I don't even want to tell you guys, but it's like 97 degrees outside and we have been running. So I'm comfy. I'm comfortable.
Are you saying I stink or you stink?
No, I don't stink. I just want to be comfortable. Anyways, it's all good. But so this project
Yes.
entailed meeting the developer, which he's amazing.
Yes,
great guy,
he is. We
And,
liked him a lot.
And our leasing girls, Kelly and Brandy.
Yep, liked
and
them a lot.
this is a new experience for us.
We like
because-
Frank. Frank just
Oh,
left.
yeah,
he didn't
Frank
want to be on
didn't want to be
video,
in the video.
but we like him.
And Troy, who's
And Troy. We really like
yeah,
Troy too.
project manager.
Yes, absolutely.
Sure.
Troy told me my music was too loud. I told him I'm sorry.
It's okay.
It is what it is.
He was okay with it. But anyway, so this project is a little bit different from what we typically do, and you'll see that in the next video shoot because we typically do the models. I mean,
Yeah.
that's a given.
Yeah.
How many models have we done? A lot.
A lot.
A lot.
Yeah.
And this was a high-end beachy cottage theme was what they were going after for sure.
Hey, come on
Kelly's
in.
and Brandy.
Kelly and Brandy. Look
We're
at y'all. We're
Perfect
filming. Come
timing.
on in. Hey, we have room.
See?
Come sit on our sofa with us. Absolutely.
Yep.
No, come on. Come on. We have room. We were just talking about
We were just
the
talking
job
about
and
the
how
job.
we got it and
Yeah.
how much we like you
Aw.
guys.
So this is
yeah.
Brandy,
Hello.
and Kelly's our. She's the one who found us.
Yes,
Pot of gold
we
here.
love Kelly.
She was the
We've
one we
had
were just
her.
talking about.
We've been working with Kelly for over a year now.
Yes.
Yeah, absolutely. On lots of different jobs. So she
So-
highly recommended y'all.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Aw,
And we love
so
Brandy.
Yes.
We
And
do.
her hair. Oh my gosh, so
Thank
cute.
you.
I
know it started raining earlier,
So
so I'm
cute.
like,
Oh my
Yes.
gosh, we wouldn't know.
That's awesome.
But anyway, so what we were trying to explain is that, we've done models and clubhouses and common areas, business centers and stuff, but the pool area and the outdoor area is definitely different for
And
us.
new. It was new.
It
for
is
us.
new and very exciting because I think it's going to be awesome.
Oh,
what
it's
we're
going to
doing.
be fabulous, and I can't
Yeah.
wait to come and lay out
Yeah.
here.
Yeah.
Just bring them. Just
Yeah.
bring the Miller Lite.
Yeah.
You got it, girl.
Definitely.
I always got the Miller Lite.
So we have some cool pieces that we've got on order
Yes.
for that
Yeah.
too. And so we're looking forward to doing that. in
Yeah,
spot.
I'm so excited about the outdoor
So,
areas.
so.
Yeah. And I think this turned out well.
So,
Yeah.
it's
All right.
phase one of
Phase one
yeah.
of many to come.
Yeah.
Peace
So-
out.
I'm gonna start calling you Nefertiti. You know who that is?
No.
You never wanted to be an
She's
archaeologist?
the goddess of. Isn't she the
Some
goddess of
Egyptian
something?
something. The
Yeah.
woman who never wash her hair.
Well, that's okay.
Yeah, so I'm gonna call you Nefertiti.